Hey everyone, thanks for jumping back into Routine Station. In this video, I want to talk about the last chance to swap, to migrate, to move your asset from BNB chain, Bacon chain, BNB2 to Binance Smart Chain. As it's informed by the Trust Wallet, August is the last month to permanently shut down the BIP2 chain. Then if you have any asset on a BNB chain, which the address of this asset is starts with the BNB, it's not the one you have with the 0x. Okay, if you have it on the BNB BIP2, you must migrate your assets. Just otherwise, your asset will disappear forever, because they are planning to shut down this network, and the time is flying, and we have around 10-11 days to get the last chance to migrate our asset to Binance Smart Chain. I had a video around 5 months ago. I already discussed with the detail. If you want to have a look, you can just search how to send BNB to Binance Smart Chain. In this video, which I put the link in the description and in the top right, you can understand how you should do it. But again, I just repeat myself for those who didn't see this video. If you go to the Trust Wallet, you will see this announcement, which they explain about it, and there is a link to this website, Trust Wallet, how to migrate your BIP2 asset to BIP20. Here they explain how you should do the procedure, but what you should know is for this migration, for this swap, you need to have a BNB on the BNB Bacon chain. If you have your asset on a BSC, then you cannot transfer the other token you have on the chain. But the procedure is as follows. You should choose the token you want to transfer. For instance, here, the token we use for gas as well as the token we want to transfer is the same token. Therefore, it deducts part of that token as a gas fee and the routing process fee. Okay. Then you choose a token, then you click on a swap, then you click on a swap to BNB Smart Chain. But if you have any token other than the BNB itself, you should be aware this process does not apply for all the token we have. It just support some kind of standard token, not all the token. Then you can choose the BNB. And to the BNB Smart Chain, it has the routing fee, which, as I already mentioned, you need to pay for this transfer, plus the network fee you pay also. Both are in the BNB Bacon chain. Then you will have your token on the new chain, which is Binance Smart Chain, and it costs around $4 to $5 if you want to do this transfer from each single asset. If you know some kind of centralized exchange which still they support the old BNB BIP2, you can deposit your asset over there, and then from that network either you sell it, buy it back on the other exchange, or you just wait if they support the new BSC, then take and withdraw your asset from there. This is just a short video to explain and make awareness about this procedure. Just be aware, we don't have that much time. It's around 10 to 11 days left by the end of August, and then they will shut down BNB chain forever, and this support for moving your assets also forever. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please consider subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up to video, and see you in the next video. Peace out.